Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Juan here, and in today's video I wanted to teach you guys how to change the lighting and the sound settings of your Razer Kraken Bluetooth headset. You can also change the mic settings on it as well, so I'm just quickly going to go over all of that. If you guys have any questions in regards to the process or whatever it may be in regards to the headset, let me know as well. If you guys want to pick this up for yourself, link will be down below as well. But with that said, let's hop into the video. All right, first things first, what you're gonna download Razer Synapse 3. Link is in the bio if you guys need to download this. So you're gonna basically control everything through this application, lighting and audio as well. So let's go ahead and assume you've already downloaded this. Let's go ahead and skip and open it up. So once you first initially open it up, you'll have this little screen right here. Your device should already be paired with your PC via Bluetooth, and it should come up here. One issue I ran into, I will just note this personally, is my sound options. I had something else highlighted for the sound, so no sound was coming through my headphones. Just make sure that you're using the headset here as I do. I have the stereo highlighted, not the hands-free. Just make sure you have it on stereo, and then this should pop up no problem. So in regards to messing around with this with the lighting effects and stuff like that, you're gonna go into your chroma visualizer. It'll be just down here. Click on that. There you go, it popped up. Make sure you have this one on always on, so your headset is always on. You'll have lights here, and then you'll have lights at the top. You can't really see because of my big old hair. Make sure you have the Kraken highlighted right here. And then visualization is just some different effects that you might have. So you have the spectrum cycling, static, it's just one color, wave, it's just kind of rotating around. And here you change all the different colors. Of course you have the brightness here. I don't know if you can see it, probably not, but you can adjust the brightness right there. Here you have a little bit more of customization when it comes to the colors and stuff like that. Reactive, so let's say you're playing music or something, and there's a beat going on, your headset will kind of flash with the beat of the sound. So that's pretty cool. You can have that on, off, it doesn't matter, it's up to you. Then you have the decay and the scale. That's pretty much the speed of how fast this is, like the colors are changing. I like it right there, 8. I think that's pretty good speed when it comes to the spectrum of the colors changing around. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the customization of the lighting. Next, I think is probably the most important part, is your audio. So you can go back to Synapse and you can just click on the headset itself, and then this will pop up, or you can just go to audio. So let's say you're here in Synapse, you go to audio, it'll go to audio, and there you go. So here you can mess around with the sound settings, on, off. And then here is the equalizer. So as far as the equalizer, I love listening to a ton of music. Oh, my headset just went off. Okay, so I connected it again. I don't know what happened. That was kind of weird. But anyways, we go into the audio settings. I do like the bass boost because I listen to a ton of music, and from all the little settings and stuff like that, I kind of, in my opinion, think bass boost is probably the best sounding one. Again, this is all preference, it's up to you. You can just go to custom and you can just move around all these settings, which, to be completely honest, I don't know anything about them. But if you're an audio nerd, you'll know a little bit about it. You'll know how to set it up. For me, I'm just some regular dude. Bass boost works perfect for me, okay? You can open up the Windows sound properties. I don't really mess around with this too much. I just leave it as is. But that's how you mess with the audio of that. And then you can change around the settings for your mic as well, which is just right here. You go to mic. Again, you're gonna test this out with your friends, see what sounds best. Just ask them like, hey, what sounds better? And then just switch around. You can do custom as well and set those as well. So there's a lot of customization. It's pretty cool. Honestly, I was very surprised when it came to the headset. By the way, I'm really enjoying it. And then you can, brightness as well, power. You can set it as to, let's say you leave your headset just chilling on the desk for like 30 minutes. It'll turn off on its own. If I'm not using it for more than 5 minutes, for me personally, I think that's perfect. So we'll just leave it at that. So that's pretty much it. It's honestly pretty straightforward. It's not that difficult to mess around with. Now that you guys have seen it for yourself, I'm sure you guys can go ahead and do this for yourself, change around the settings and make it as to where it's perfect for yourself. Again, any questions, let me know down below. If you guys found this video informative, drop a like, I'd really appreciate that. And with that being said, we'll end it here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, take care, be safe. All right, bye.